She is an American member of the British royal family, a philanthropist, and former actress. Former spouse Trevor is an American film producer and literary manager whose work has introduced producing TV series. Trevor was born on 23rd October 1976 in the New York. Her father name Thomas Markle. Her mother name Dory. She and Prince Harry became engaged in 2017 and married in May 2018. She has a sister named Samantha. She has a brother named Thomas Markle Jr. She acted alongside Russell in 2010 comedy Get Him to the Greek. They welcome a baby boy named Archie in May 2019. She married Trevor in 2011, but the couple split in 2013. Her parents divorced when she was 6 years old. She grew up in the Hollywood. She has a net worth of $5 million. She began a relationship with actor and producer Trevor in 2004. She was in relationship with the celebrity chef Corey. In June 2016, she began a relationship with Prince Harry, whom she had met on the blind date. In 2014, she founded the lifestyle website The Teak. She wrote about food, fashion, beauty and travel, and profiled inspirational women. She was born on August 4th, 1981 in Los Angeles, California. Her mother is a former social worker and yoga instructor. She has often been described as having a very close friendship with her mother. Her father lives in Mexico and is a retired television director. She is described on her mother's side from the enslaved Africans and on her father's side from the European settlers. She was educated at private schools, beginning at age 2 at the Hollywood Little Red Schoolhouse. She was joined Kappa Kappa Gamma sorority and participated in community service and charity projects. She also served in the internship at the American Embassy and studied for one semester in Madrid. She earned her bachelor degree from the Northern West School of Communication in 2003 with a double major in the theatre and international studies. Her first on-screen appearance was a small role as a nurse in episode of daytime soap opera General Hospital. She was politically vocal before joining the British royal family. In 2016, she became a global ambassador for the World Vision Canada, traveling to Rwanda for the Clean Water campaign. She backed Hillary Clinton during the 2016 US presidential election. She was a counselor for the international charity One Young World. At the 2014 summit in Dublin, she spoke on the topic of gender equality and modern day slavery. In 2014, she toured Afghanistan and Spain with the United Service Organization. She became interested in the Hub Community Kitchen run by survivor of the Grenfell Tower fire in Jan 2018. She is the first person to hold the title Duchess of Sussex. She retired from the acting, closed her related social media accounts and started undertaking public engagements as a part of British royal family. In Jan 2020, the couple announced their intention to step back as a senior member of the royal family. She worked at the US Embassy after earning a degree in the international relations.